those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right now. I get paid, vacation, staying B-side. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign.
I promise I'm not gonna stop. I promise I'm be on top. I promise I'm off the block. I promise to cop the job. I promise to always pop. I promise to never flop. We the cream of the crop. We gon' fill up the lot. Promise I'm not gonna stop. I promise I'm be on top. I promise I'm off the block. I promise to cop the job. I promise to always pop. I promise to never flop. We the cream of the crop. We gon' fill up the lot.
Yeah, what's poppin', facers, and welcome to Fabien TV. Let's get turned, you heard. And today I'm getting my car washed and steamed by the Suds boss, you feel me? And I definitely need my car washed and steamed because of where I work, but and what's going on around the world. So I'm not trying to get no germs, no corona in my car. Nah, I mean nothing crazy. I'm trying to keep me safe and healthy, so I gotta keep my car safe and healthy, know what I mean? The inside, you hear me? But this is the man, the owner of Suds Bulls.
We out here in the quarantine, you know, we gotta mask up, glove up, but we doing it. We getting cars clean, disinfecting cars for everybody. Supposed to be nice, you heard?
Big facts, what he said. Talk to him nice, you heard him? Nah, but if you need your car clean, steam, whatever, hit him
right
up.
To you, bro. The Suds Boss, located in Huntington, Long Island. We come to you, Nassau, Suffolk, Queens, wherever you
Everywhere.
At. Anywhere. We pull up, clean your shit.
We skirt, you feel me?
Back on your side. So basically what we gotta do is keep using the brush and get all the dirt out and really get a fine job in the vacuum. Otherwise it's gonna be sandy, you know?
And we don't want no sandy floors.
We don't want no sand, we don't want no coronavirus. We want that shit clean as fuck, you heard me? Clean as fuck.
Big facts.
I don't need that energy around me. I just need sun, you're so cloudy. I wake up, girl, you're so grouchy. Please get from around me. When the truth don't work, you start telling lies. Thought you were down to ride, you weren't down to ride. Course switching, you were picking sides. Don't blink, course slipping like a slip and slide. I was shooting dice, still I got a nosebleed. Money on the floor, can't get cold feet.
Alright, so now we're gonna start getting the window cleaner and the interior detail brush. We got that right here. Got our glass cleaner right here. Let's go grab a microfiber. Got a whole bunch of those. And believe it or not, this stuff is good for all interior use. And I tell you, this shit makes the car smell amazing. Spray away wax. Gotta get it. Gotta get it. do. Yo, I see the chocolate milk. Watch this. Yo! Turn it off!
I'm gonna prank him real quick, watch it.
Alright, just so you know, his little nephew pooped all in the back. That's dried poop. So we're gonna have to steam that poop out. Are you okay? Alright. You might have coronavirus. I'm just kidding, man. Prank. It's hot chocolate. Get the interior, this is the detail brush. You gotta get the minor little details in between every crevice with it. Look at that. All the dust comes right out. If you're taking this to your local detailer or car wash and he's not using this, you don't got a detailer. Fine. It's called tough stuff. If you anything like my man Fabien and you got chocolate milk stained in the car, you gotta use some tough stuff, bro. This shit gets rid of everything. Wipe this up real quick, Wipe this up. Let it break the tough stuff up in here. Just let it dissolve and evaporate all the stuff that's in there. And then we'll come back to that in like 2-3 minutes. Alright. The whole back vacuumed up, nice and clean. Because we're gonna represent Nike, the shoe company, and we're gonna get Fabien sponsored by Nike, you heard? Big facts! Woo! Yo, say what's poppin', Fabesters. Now what to do? Yo, Fabien, I'll line them up. Something like this. A little something like. I'm gonna leave this out right now.
Yeah.
This is just for Nike, you know what I'm saying? Okay. Yo, you can even see the sun. Look, get the camera in here. You can see the Suds boards right there for the windows though.
That's fire.
A little bit like that. Bam, son. You know the vibes.
Big vibes.
Big vibes only. You heard? Alright, I'm gonna get the steamer going because we need that shit right now. It's just getting hot, so give it a couple more minutes. So to really start disinfecting, put a towel over it because it is 212 degrees, so you want something not to burn, and this will protect it as well. It really gets it disinfected without burning anything, and it's still safe. Everywhere to a nice clean door panel now, as you see.
Before, after.
Now we better work on this end. So they've seen that. Now check this out. The vents over here, it's gonna come out through all the other vents and deodorize the entire car.
is smoking.
You heard.
My car's smoking. That's big loud.
Temporary paper mats.
Okay, copy.
Thank you for your business. You know, thank you for your business. We appreciate you. You are us.
What are you getting now?
Paper mat. Don't mind me. Thanks for coming in. But technically we came to you, so we appreciate you no matter what, though. You know what I'm saying, brother?
Big facts.
Okay, okay. I see you.
The big boys.
Big boy stuff. You heard? Where the fun goes down. Pull this back out. Even stop yet. Just keep going.
I think that's cement, like the.
Actually, got there. Hop in?
Yeah. This is lit.
Remember those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right now. I get paid, vacay, I'm staying B-side. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign. I don't need bad energy around me. I just need sun, you're so cloudy. I wake up good, you're so grouchy. Please get from around me. When the truth don't work, you
Thumbnail time, you hear me?
Fuck, dude, I just wait for the good play work. Fucking pissed right now. Shit. for that clay bar.
You're gonna kill me though. I got dirt in the car.
You got dirt in the car?
Yeah.
Fabien.
My fault. On the passenger side.
I figured that. Look at that clay bar, son.
That's insane.
This shit takes a lot of things out, but you gotta be careful because you could end up scratching the paint if you're not careful. Like this run down here, bro, I'm gonna try my best to go slow with it. Transferred right from the paint onto the clay bar, just like I thought. It's also making your paint a lot smoother.
Remember those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right now. I get paid, vacation, staying B-side. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign. I don't need that energy around me. I just need sun, you're so cloudy. I wake up, girl, you're so grouchy. Please get from around me. When the truth don't work, you start telling lies. Thought you were down to ride, you weren't down to ride. Course switching, you were picking sides. Don't blink, course slipping like a slip and slide. I was shooting dice.
Spin your boy Fabien TV.
You know the vibes, it's the Suds boss over here in Long Island.
Where can they find you, bro?
Huntington, but you know what? We come to you, so you don't find us, we find you.
Alright, it's been your boy Fabien TV.
The Suds boss.
And we out. Peace. Doses.
Peace. You're...
Ay, look, only chase a bag, anything else gotta come to me. Let it come to me. Let it, shit, only chase a bag, anything else gotta come to me. Let it